Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with China. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Hope you're all having a safe and a wonderful day so far. Yes, my love. So, I could get down into the people them business right about now. So, my loves, you know what? Today, me I go somewhere, me I hug this. We a walk out. We never really have nowhere specific for go. We just a walk out. And we end up at Smaddy Yard Gate, my love. So, when we reach at the Smaddy Yard Gate, my loves, we see one sign put up over there. When me tap and read it now, my loves, I the Mr. Fletcher man. The Mr. Fletcher man, me there when I call out the entourage them. He might call out the army them, me loves him want back up out here, want back up. So he might call them out, me loves him call them name individually. Him call Lolo. Him call Mazaki, I don't know Mazaki, Uncle Curly. Him call T Lady and Mighty Max, me love. But me love, speaking of Mighty Max, when last you know see Mighty Max? Me loves, I couldn't tell the last day me bless me I pa Mighty Max. Mighty Max alright, me loves. I never remember a word about Mighty Max, you know me dear children. If I never see Mighty Max name in the post, I would remember a word about Mighty Max. People one of them day me have to go pass over Mighty Max here and check up on her, see if she good, me love. Cause bad to bad, me don't want nothing do nobody out here, you know me loves. I don't want nothing do a soul out, except for Mazaki. Except for Mazaki, my love. I don't know Mazakari always I wish bad for people. So anything happen to Mazakari, I'm not sorry for him, my love. I'm not sorry for him. In a Mazakari case, me render evil for evil, my love. But with anybody else, bad to bad, my loves, and as they have their ways, as we all do, the whole we have our ways out here. I don't want nothing to do them, man. I don't want nothing to do nobody, my loves. With my Zachariah, him now, me couldn't care less, my loves. But as I was saying, my loves, a long time, me not see Mighty Max, but Mighty Max did migrate gone to another world. And as me always tell you, you know, my loves, yes, for me, I just the internet. It's just for the internet. I don't go beyond the internet, my loves. Anybody else want go beyond the internet and go in a reality? Take internet beef to reality. That up for them business, my loves. But not me. For me, as I said, it's just the internet. So back to what I was saying, my loves, as me did I tell you now, say, if you like I said, Mr. Fletcher man now turn Winston Bello, my loves. You know if I watch Third World Cup, my loves, with Bello and Capone, we then go up on the street, we go Masha Works, and Winston Bello call back up, my loves. And by the time we call back up, my loves, and back up reach. Capone done go machine works and complete the job already, my love. So in that case, yeah, the Mr. Fletcher man and Mr. Bello, my loves. He might call out the army, my loves. He might roll out the army. You look like the heat turn up out here, my loves, and him want help. I don't know. Say him and some of them, you know, my loves. Him and some of them no plan pizza and gungo like, you understand? They know they pound on good terms. So remember, say him and Lord, them a head speaker. And Mr. Bob, you know, my love did fall out. And they may come out, you can cuss him. And laugh after him, my loves. And Mr. Bob did tell him, say, one thing, kidney and sin thing, feel him and tell him all kind of sin thing, my loves. All of them, the sin thing that they good on, but it look like, say, him willing to put him difference aside, my loves. Him willing to put the differences aside, my loves. Him want the whole of them to come together, my loves, and stand in solidarity. Yes, my dear children, him want them come together that they can stand together and fight, my loves. What them a fight for? What them a fight for, my dear children? Oh, no, don't ask me. I don't know. All me basically I say, him a make bygones be bygones. So as much as the whole of them, my loves, are enemy, I don't like them one another. Him willing for them come join him and then stand together out here, my love, be fight. Me no know where them a fight for, as me tell no already. But me could have swear one at the time, you know, my love, me hear the Mr. Fletcher man say. Him is a one-man band. Him is a one-man army, him not team up with nobody. If you like I say, get too rough for him alone, my loves. If you like I say, too much for him alone out here, my dear children. My loves, I want tell you no say. If you like I said, the people them agree, if you like I said, them agree if you join the Mr. Fletcher man military, my loves. If you like I said, them out if you join him army. For no don't see say my uncle Zachariah team up already. And you know him and T lady. And me hear Lord them over there now. I play back in video them my loves and attack and so. It look like the whole of them decide now for come together and stand in solidarity, my loves. So me no know about Who to tell? No surprise if you see them auntie lady, let a lord or them because I don't know, say Lord them auntie lady did have big tear we out here, big pop we because they say Lord did go start bake. So them auntie lady did have big pop way out here. So no surprise if you know them auntie lady reconcile again, you know me loves. Because no say the whole of them have the same kind of thinking. Yes, Baba. So, me loves, when me come to tell you about now, me no know if you see what me a see, and you read between the lines with me loves. But when me a observe me dear children, it's like I said, them war fi broke out over this here section here with the whole of we me loves. Then war fi broke out over here, my loves. And then we start war with one another over here. No, we, me loves, cause me not in a warring with nobody, you know, my love. Me not in a the warring with nobody, me dear children. But it look like I said, no, my dear children, him a try to turn people mind against people mind out here. So basically, where him do know, my dear children, I could on go dig up, me love, for some whole recordings, whole live, all kind of whole synth, me love. I start play back out here. Yes, me love, then dig up back all of their whole thing, them me love, and them a resurface panding it, no, me love. So where them a do now, me love, who na share it? Them a talk about it pan them platform. And where them do know me love, them make the memories them me loves. The long time video where them a play back now me loves. Them a try to make it seem recent, make it look like I say, I seen it where this happen. So me love the Mr. Fletcher man, him now you know me dear children. Him go find one live where the Miss Erica lady. Yes, me love. Where she did do a long time. I don't know how long ago, me love. Cause I did first me hear it. I don't know how long ago. But him go dig up him, me loves, and start to play back out here. So in a hit now, me dear children, the Erica lady now, did a cuss lady there. Yes, Ashanti. Yes, my loves, and we know now, you know, me dear children say, the Mr. Fletcher man now, him have a problem, my loves, with the plank of them as support Erica and the Mr. 360 man, the Mr. Ashanti. Yes, my love, the Mr. Fletcher man have a problem with that, my loves. Him now want the plank of them to support them. So, on no say, him will go to any depths, my love, by any means possible. If try get the plank of them, my loves, if stop supporting them. So in a fi me heart of heart now you know me love. Me feel like I say and that's why him go dig up back for that particular video there. Uno no go back go say me say oh. Uno don't go back go say me say. Alright. No, what happened now you know me dear children? What happened now? I don't know how we reach back to the Miss Erica lady. I don't know. But she hear the live me love and she take it to her platform. She take it to her platform, me loves. And Baba, she no left a stone and turn out here, me love. She do left a stone and turn out here. She cuss Lord, head speaker, Mighty Max, the Mr. Fletcher man. All of the rejected planker, them me loves, and the bad planker, yes, me love, because Erica say you have good planker and bad planker, my loves. And Uncle Zachariah, me miss out Uncle Zachariah, yes, me love, Mr. Uncle Zachariah get cuss out to Baba. Lord, I must say, me miss out Queen Bee, me love, me miss out Queen Bee. Queen Bee get a piece of salt into me loves. For uno no say now you know me dear children. Not too past Queen Bee, you know me love. Not too past Queen Bee. Where Queen Bee do know you know me love. Queen Bee take it to our Facebook platform, Baba, and go put up one post over there. So in the post now, me love, but she put up it go say she a listen to some memories, me loves. So she ask me loves if them can't find any videos of she out here a cuss Lady D because and say she feel left out. According to her, she said she used to make her fingers them rule her in her comments, me love. But Queen Bee, Queen Bee, mama. That don't know much of any difference, you know, Queen Bee. Whether you do it written or you do it verbally, I still the same thing. I don't know much difference. So whether you do video or write, you right. I don't know much of a difference, ma'am. Me no see it has no much difference. The only difference me see one with the fingers and one with the mouth. Then she went on normal of and put two little asterisk at the starter where she go say, and then two more at the ending. And tell the people them say, them fi move them BBC. Them will never find a none. Right, and in closing now, my love, she has said, Summer oh no, need to give the lady a public apology. Simply fighting for her now is not enough. And she say, yes, sir. And that me say. Them there where she right now, my loves. So me dear children, me no know how the Erica lady see that, my loves. But the Erica lady see it, me dear children. And she come out here with BLOOD in her yaya. And she did give it to all of them. Also, get it to my love. Also, get it to Baba. Anyway, T Lady never get much, my love. T Lady only did get a mention. One little bump T Lady get. Just a little toops T Lady get, my love. Just a little toops. I don't know, Mighty Max almost escaped the list, my love. Mighty Max little most no make the list. That's how much nobody no really remember about Mighty Max, my love. Mighty Max this drop off of the radar, so. Nobody know of Mighty Max whereabout these days, my loves. Mighty Max this gone ghost. All the famous 8.5 get tangled up in night, baba. For me get fi understand now, say the Mighty Max lady, she did buy flowers, my love, buy rose. Fi go meet the 8.5 at airport. Yes, my loves, there's something there going, there's something there going, my loves. And my dear children, he never done this, so baba. He never done this so at all, me dear children, cause you know, see the Michelle lady that are the head speaker lady, me loves. Hey, she get it full blown. Full blown, me loves. Then you know, no now say the Erica lady, me loves. Pick up herself from fear yard, go all the way over one cemetery. And due to how me I had this curious, you know, me love how we fast, we want to know what along me dear children, so we take time and trail back a her go over the cemetery. But you know say, my loves, we now go over the so. We now go over the so because we not trust up in my love. So you know say, me and Agnes now with the tapa pass and we rubber and we like a consecrated a level pan with my loves and we splash we kalanga water all board pan with me dear children and read couple psalms. For when you are going a dopey housing scheme, my dear children, you can't be too careful. And you can't take up yourself, take up going a dopey housing scheme. So when we take time and trail back at her now, you know, my loves are reach we hear. She a cuss me dear children. And I tell the Michelle lady that are the head speaker lady, my love, for sure, which one are the house them over there, the grave house them, my love, which one of them belongs to the 5 man them where her porky and alive, my love. But between me and you, my love, she said, several man, the head speaker lady, porky and alive, my dear children. She said, when she give them, and then go them, my love, them no make it out back. Them don't make it out back, my love. So me, I wonder if a teach she have done the hour, what I don't know. But based upon where the Erica lady has said, me love, something down there. As soon as the man them land in it, me loves, then do make it out back alive. Then come out, you know, my love, then come out, but not alive. So me no know what go on down there, so me dear children. So you know now any man a good there, so you know them have to approach it with caution because if you like I said teeth down there, I bite them up, me dear children, and I take them 3 pints. So I saw the Erica lady now, me love her cuss her, I tell her, I say, for sure, which one had the grave them over them, me love belong to the 5 man them where her porky hand alive. Yes, me dear children, and me a Agnes, so if you just stand up one side and I look and listen, me loves. She not even know say we did the back car, my love. She never know. So gentlemen, if you no happen to come across, you know the head speaker lady, and you don't know no beggar any little thing she a go give you know. When you no entering, you no enter at you no one risk, you understand. Because you no might go and never return. And then you no end up now over the cemetery with the nether rest. I did up him and them. And me loves, you know, so that's why they say, you know, out of every bad situation comes good, you know. You know, so she find house over there for your Uncle Curly, me loves. Yes, my dear children. She find a nice little house over there for your Uncle Mr. Zachariah, my loves. Yes, my love, she find a nice little cemetery house for Mr. Zachariah, my dear children. All it need, you know, are just 2 sheets of zinc on the top. And the Lord was so good, you know, my love. The Lord was so good. The Erica lady says she have couple sheets of zinc and donate to her, my loves. You understand? To cover off the top. So you see, my dear children, out of every bad situation comes good. That maybe if she never go over there, now you know, my dear children, Curly would have never get that the house there. And the goodness in Erica heart, now, my dear children, she go give her a couple sheets of zinc. So we can come back out here, come trouble her about our house again. We can come talk, so she don't have no house again, because she get a nice 1 bedroom over there. Yes, so it's a good look for Uncle Mr. Zachariah, my love. It's a good look for her. She no longer homeless, my loves. Praise the Lord. And you know, my loves, My loves, all I know say, the one Uncle Zachariah, the one Uncle Mr. Zachariah, my love, not appreciative of it. Him not appreciative of it, you know, my loves. Me say, my dear children, the man is very, very ungrateful. For Erica never have to shower the house, you know, my love. Erica never have to shower the house. And she shower it after her zinc to put on the top, my loves. They don't know, no one else say, Uncle Mr. Zachariah take it to our social media platform over Facebook, my loves. Yes, my dear, she put up long posts over there, say, Erica better know where she a do. And that she forget one for herself too. So I don't know if I catch she afraid like how me and Agnes did afraid, my love. I don't know if I catch she afraid, my dear children. But she put out couple psalms over there, my loves. Yes, Psalms 91 and 2 more she put up over there, my dear children. And I say she has sent it back to the sender. Yes, my love. So she don't want the house. She don't want it. She rather freezing at the car at night time, my dear children. But before me forget them, my love, finally stick me and know me see one that listen to my loves. Between me and me no know a fool for ticket the Queen Bee lady have, my loves. I don't know a fool for ticket she have. But me say she put out one post over her Facebook yard, my dear children, say she have some voice note for drop. She say she have some voice notes for drop, my dear children, but she not drop them till Sunday. Anybody want hear me love have to join her membership? She not dash out is so free, my dear children, so me no know about them device note there. And who depend them device note there, but she not give it away for free, my love. She say anybody want here have to become a member on our platform, my dear children. So me no know, but she said them they breed advice know what them loves have for members only. So in order to hear it, you know have to be a member on our platform. Yes, my loves, yes, my dear children. Anyways, my love, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and I will see you all in another video. Have a safe, wonderful, and productive day. Bye bye, much love, and peace out later.